Okay, we're back for another gameplay of Slendrina, guys. But for today, we're going to play Slendrina Day School. Okay, I'm about to ask the same question, okay? How did Slendrina ended up in this school? Well, I guess the mystery will be solved later. And I do hope that this is a payback. I think we're going to teach Slendrina some manners here. Bro, that would be cool. But I was just joking. Okay, so without a further ado, let us now proceed. Okay, so we have to choose our difficulty again. Let's go easy again. We'll go easy on her. Alright, here we go. Okay, what the heck? I'm still having the vibe of the seller here, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, since na nandun tayo guys sa situation na ito, minaalala tuloy ako na kwento tungkol sa mga school. Ewan ko lang kung paniniwalaan nyo to o hindi pero naniniwala ba kayo na dating cemetery daw ang mga school? Oh my goodness. Bro, hindi ko sadyang masabi kung tunay yun o hindi. Kasi nung nading ko lamang ngayon sa aking mga kaklase noon nung elementary ako, natakot sadya ako. Nanindig ang balahibo ko nyo, oh my goodness. Pero matagal naman na yun, it's just an old story. Naalala ko lang sadya dahil din eh. Kasi alam ko ngayon na nandun tayo sa haunted school eh. Oh my goodness. Ano ba yung itsura na likod natin? Okay, I'm guessing this is the exit. Putik bro, hindi interactable lang exit natin. We've been locked in this school. Okay, tara. Ano ito? Is that a basement? Don't tell me may cellar din sa school na to. Okay, may second floor pa doon. Tara, di mo tayo sa kaliwa. Let's go left. Ano kayo makikita natin din eh? Oh my goodness. And I saw a key. Yan. That's our first key, guys. Tsaka nasan nga pala si Slendrina? Where's Slendrina? Oh, first time mo hinap si Slendrina din yun. Oh my goodness, no. Huh? Okay, we just used the key to a locked door. Ang putik bro, ang lawak ng classroom. Nakakatakot. Oh my goodness. Ayaw ko pumunta sa kita. Hoy! Putik! Hoy! Napansin nyo yun no? Oh my goodness bro. Ang hirap ngayon i-move ng ating camera pagka tumutok kay Slendrina. Naku, delikado din eh. Okay, she's draining our life this time. She's like a vampire, bro. Yan yung buhay natin, no? Halos paabuti yan sa kalahati eh. At napansin nyo yung itsura ni Slendrina, no? Parang nakakatakot, ah. Okay. What the heck? What's this? Don't tell me itong kailangan nating hanapin. At ano ba ito? What is this? Is this some sort of a fuse? I don't know. Let's just call it a fuse, guys, okay? What the heck? What's this? Ya puti ka nito, medkit? Oo nga, no? Okay, na-refill niya, guys, ang ating buhay. So, I'm guessing na yung item na nalimot natin is yun yung makakapag-refill ngayon ng buhay natin. Okay, diyan tayo. Okay, tabingi naman na ngayon. Hoy! Hoy, putik! Hoy! No! Ang putik, bro. Ang hirap ngayon i-move ng camera. Nakakatakot. Tabingi na yung blackboard. At saka pansin nyo, guys, bakit nga ba ito tinawag na blackboard? Ano kung kulay green naman? Well, that's weird. Okay, dalawa na ating fuse. 6 more to go. Tara, let's go. Kakatakot ngayon ng soundtrack, ah. Sana wala tayo di maka-encounter na animation. A jumpscare animation. No, don't do that, please. Okay. Is there something here? Okay, there's nothing there. Oh, no! Okay, there's nothing here. At saka napansin ko lamang, guys, ha. I guess this is where the teacher puts the naughty kids in front of the class. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's nothing here. Okay, nandito naman tayo sa malawak na classroom. Huwag tayo lumakad sa gitna. Okay. Limutin natin yan. Malaga yan. Interactable mga ito. Oh. And yeah, there's nothing there. Toilets. Ayun! Ba? Paano napunta ang Suzy doon? Hirap nyo makakita ah. Okay. Yeah, we've been there before. Tsaka pansin nyo guys, hindi masyado shaky ang ating camera. Ang putik, galing na tayo dyan. Kalito. Okay, let's go to the second floor. At ang bagal niya guys maglakad ah. Ay! Putik ka! Ang piste, ang lapit! Bro, nanikip ang dibdib ko dun ah. Okay, I guess Slendrina heard what I said before we start the game. I think we're going to teach Slendrina some manners here. Binabawian niya tayo guys, oh my goodness. Okay, there's a 3-chair here guys. I guess this 3-chair is for the parent of the children who's been called into the principal's office. Oh my goodness. Huh? Ang putik. Ang putik, hindi pala to print. Ay! No! Hoy, hoy! I guess nandito tayo sa medical room kung saan nila pinapagaling ang mga estudyanteng may sakit. Bro, this is getting weird and scary ah. And Slendrina is trying to stop us to find those fuses. Okay, that's a key and the fuse. Alright, 5 na lamang. Let's get out of here. Haven't we been here before? Kaso mo nga lang ilumipat yung upon doon sa kanan. Bro, ito nakakatakot din pagka pabalik-balik na tayo. Tapos mapapansin mo yung nag-iiba ang gulo ng mga nakita natin last time. No. I hope that won't happen to us here. Ay, no! Ay, putik bro, nakalutang siya. No! Okay, Slendrina keeps getting scarier here, guys. Habang nagtatagal tayo, palala ng palala din si Slendrina. Come on. Let's make this fast. Let's find all the fuses we need. Okay, 5 na yun. Here, din eh. Okay, nandito na tayo ngayon sa principal's office. Oh my goodness. Kanino kayang parents ang napatawag din eh? Ano? Siguro napatawag din niya ang parents ni Slendrina. Uy! Alright. Yon. Just what we need. Ay! No! That's not what we need. Okay. Sa kabila naman tayo. Let's go. Okay. Back up. Back up. Papasok na tayo guys ngayon sa pinakamaruming kubeta. At wala pa mga pintuan ah. Okay. Speaking of the details guys. Oh my goodness. So disgusting. No, wag muna, wag muna. Marami pa tayong buhay eh. Pagka critical na buhay natin, tsaka natin kukunin. Ay! No! Ano ba naman yan? Hanggang sa kubeta ba naman sinusundan tayo ni Slendrina? Slendrina, don't do that next time, okay? What the heck? Did that door just open by itself? Hello? No. Okay, napapaisip sadya ako na mayroong mga something na nakaupo doon na hindi natin makita. Yan iniisip ko lagi sa mga ganito eh. Mamaya natin ituloy. Okay, anong pinasok natin ito? What's this? Is this the cafeteria? Or is this the kitchen? Okay, let me think straight okay? I'm guessing this is the kitchen. Ay! Putik ka lapit! Hindi pa ako tapos magsalita. Ano ba naman yan, Slendrina? Okay, balik ulit tayo sa aking sinasabi. I'm guessing this is the kitchen. And this part is the cafeteria. Which were the... No. Don't close. Okay. Hindi na interactable. Ooh! Alright. 6 na yun, guys. That's all 6. Huh? Okay, interactable nga. Tama. Eh, yeah. Marami pa tayong buhay eh. Yuko ng konti bro, baka may lumabas din eh. Okay, wala. Susi lang pala, susi. Masyado man akong kinabahan. Ay! Hoy! No! No! Ang putik, bro! Okay, Slendria is literally draining our life here. Oh my goodness. I can't believe na papasok tayo sa gantong room. Ngayon, tinatakot ako ng game na ito, ah. Baka naman may jumpscare animation din, eh. Wag naman. Ayoko pumunta sa gitna, ah. Ayoko dumaan sa gitna. Sa gilid lang tayo. Okay, there's nothing there. We just wasted our time there. Tinakot lang sadya ako ng room na yon. Okay. So, we've been there before and there. Okay, third floor na tayo. Let's go. Don't tell me motorized itong pintuan na to. Okay, the door is locked. Motorized nga. And I guess na itong iniipon nating fuse says na ito ang makakapag-unlock ng pintuan na yon. Okay, but where? Ayun sa ilalim. Okay, di pa natin natitingnan yun. Yung ilalim guys, yung ilalim. Sige, balik tayo doon. Let's go down. Come on, make it faster. Ah, yung isa lang pintuan din eh. One key is used. Okay. So, di natin ilalagay ang mga naipon natin. It looks like there are 8 fuses missing. O nga, fuse nga ang kailangan natin hanapin. Fuses nga mga ito. Okay, so dalawa pa kailangan natin hanapin. What the heck? Bakit may teddy bear din eh? Bro, what's this? Ano ba ito? Interactable bata? Yeah, oo nga. Dala na natin yun yung teddy bear. Pero yung teddy bear to? Whose teddy bear is this? Is this Slendrina's teddy bear? Okay, I guess the mystery will be solved later, guys. Oh. Wait, galing na ba tayo din eh? Di ko tanda. Oo nga, galing na tayo din eh. Naging sign nga pa natin din eh. Iniwan natin bukas sa mga pintuan. That's great. Pero check natin ang paligid. Let's double check. I can't sense any fuses here. I can only sense a dark spirit watching us. Baka nililigaw na tayo din ni Slendrina. Hindi na natin nalalaman. Tsaka ang tagal natin naghahanap. Di siya nagpapakita, no? Well, that's weird. Ay! No! Uy! Wala, katakot. Okay, we're back in this crazy room again. Ay! No! Huy! 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 Parang tutumba ang ating character tuwing nagtatagal ng tingin kay Slendrina, ah. Okay, there's no fuse here. Just some crazy ghost trying to strangle us. Ay! No! Huy! Huy! Slendrina's trying to drain our life. Ayun! Naku, hindi ko napansin. Sorry. Oh! Oh! Hey! Where's the fuse? Where's the fuse? Give me the fuse now. Habang nagtatagal tayo din, ipalala ng palala si Slendrina. Oh! Uy! Uy! No! We're going on a circle trying to find the fuse. Saan natin makikita ang last fuse? Oy! Putik, no! Kahit makita ko lang mga kanyang pada ay ano eh. Kakagulat na din. Dahil ba man din ng sound. No! 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 Oh! Nalulula ng character natin. But if i-check natin yung basement, do-double check natin yon. Baka di natin napapansin na di lamang din pala. Oh! No! Ang putik ng dini lang pala. Yahanep. Ang dami nating inikot, has may ganang buhay natin eh. Well, never mind. Ito may pang-heal naman pala tayo din eh. Yeah, there we go. Alright, kompleto na. Okay, yun yung nasa taas. Yung motorized na door. Let's go. By the way, para saan ba itong teddy bear na ito? Come on. Alis na tayo din eh. Baka ang ating way out dun sa taas. Napansin ko lang din sa teddy bear na ito. Ano ba ito? Souvenir from, from this school? Ah. Don't tell me this is the detention room. Yahanip. Ay! Huy! No! Slendria, not this time. Oh my goodness. Anong ginagawa ng mga ito din eh? Guys, naalala nyo ba itong mga drawing na ito? Okay, these drawings is from the House of Slendrina. Bro, anong ginagawa ng mga hindi eh? Slendrina. So this is Slendrina's table. And I think she's been put in here, into the detention room. With her drawings, bro. Ay! No! Okay. Huh? What the heck? Ano nangyari? What's this? Okay, time to leave this place. At ano ba ito hawak natin? Is this a class photo? Okay, I guess makikita na lang natin sa ending. Tara, let's go. Doon tayo sa exit kanina. Come on, make this fast. Come on, please. Baka may nangahabol na sa atin. Ngayon ay! No! Uy! Anong nangyari? Ang putik bro, naglalakad si Slendrina. Oh no, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ginagawa mo! No! Ay, siya to! Siya ba ito? Huh? Good job. It seems that Slendrina spared your life. Well, thanks for that. Bro, si Slendrina ba ay nandun sa picture? Or teacher nila? Bro, hindi ko sadya maisip kung sino yun Pero napaka-disturbing ng dating at saka si Slendrina bro. Oh my goodness, ang kanyang animation. Seeing her walking in front of us is so disturbing. Pero napakalupit ng animation niya Oh my goodness. And you all noticed that, right? She's holding her teddy bear. But why? What's with the teddy bear? Okay, so I guess the mystery has been solved. The important thing is we finish this game on the easy difficulty. Pamakita naman natin kung ano mga mangyayari. And I've been thinking this whole time, guys. I think the teachers failed to educate Slendrina. And that might be the reason why she's haunting this school. Oh my goodness. That was just a joke, okay? I was just kidding. Okay, so napansin din natin na wala masyadong animation din pero okay lamang yon. We still got the chills, scares, and the jump scares, guys, of Slendrina. So, for me, that is a classic now. Okay, so I think I will end up our gameplay here. So, thank you for watching. And I really do hope you enjoy our gameplay in Slendrina the School. Bro, this game is amazing.